kalugaringon niya party list.
Kung kilala na itong tingog, ang bugos sa Pilipinas, makakakita ba kita doon ng pangkakuran?
Well, if the surveys again are to be used as a measure, we're looking at 3 seats. Then again, we don't want to be presumptuous. Even until now, no, for the last couple of days, we still are continue lagi ang pinag-kampanya. In fact, kung papakita niyo tamang mga panit ni Ma'am Sheet, o doon sa ilagay ni Ma'am Sheet, nag-iitom na lang kami pag ginawa. We have not let down. Kaya nga tutubi na nakakampanya lagi kami. Not so much because naghikadao kita, although that's one of the key reasons. But because we believe in such a critical time, we have to do justice to the support that people are giving to us. We owe it to our voters to campaign. Kay base nila makitaan, ang party list nila yung susuportahan, andang ang karuyan lang yapon mag-service pa ito.
Sir Jude, ipapakyan ako la imon kuan. Actually, usa nga board member din regionet nila ako mag-name drop. Kasi nato ng pagbulig kasi tao. Papakyan na regarding pagbubulig kasi mostly pagbubuligan mga pasyente. Diri kasi nayapi ang professional fee and doctor. So ano ba pwede may buligan anting party list regarding assistance, financial assistance mga medical needs and
Well, actually, dili gud sugat ka-accurate no nga dili pwede, pero may ada cap. Adala kung di kang sasayo 30% lang itong PF pwede. Dami ito trason kay una because normally it aton mga professional fees tungod pang good kay DOH eventually mabayad ito kay di ba traumatic may delay. So syempre we don't want our doctors gihapon nga duro kaiya. So may dito cap permit iton professional fees.
example Sir Jude Philippine Heart Center.
Well, dili ko na ko sugat ka familiar hiton how it goes up to the details. Pero maaram ako that part of the professional fees can be, especially Heart Center National Kidney, part of the professional fees can be covered by our medical assistance program. Although it will vary depending on the accommodation that they are doing, that they are using, kung suite or nga room ba, kung depending. Kaya ward. Kung ward, definitely nako-cover niya talaga.
Congressman Jude,
Ano pan
sige, go ahead.
about